Hi everybody, Mark here with Third Alarm Detailing Products. And we're going to show you how to ceramic coat your vehicle. Very easy process. So I washed this F-250 the other day, got all the water off of it, it's been sitting inside. Biggest thing is wash it first, get all the dry it very well, use a leaf blower or something so there's no water running down from any of these emblems or anything like that. Get it nice and dry. And after you dry it, if you want to do paint correction, this is a brand new truck. It's actually pretty good from Ford actually on this one. But if you want to do paint correction, you would do paint correction after you wash it. Any swirl remover or anything like that, you can use our speed compound for that. Our speed compound is a diminishing compound, which means it can be used for swirls, scuffs, anything to that nature, and it will finish out as a polish. Then after you're done with that, or if you skip that step, we're going to use our surface prep spray. So it's our surface prep spray. We use a microfiber towel. This is our dual-sided microfiber towel, purple and orange on either side. That way we know what side we're using. Real simple. We're going to just spray some surface prep spray on here. It doesn't take a whole lot. All we're doing is we're stripping those waxes, those any buffing compound that would be on it, anything that might have got put on at the factory, or if you waxed your vehicle in the past. We're just going to give this a good wipe over. And for the video purposes, we're just doing this left front fender. What I would do is I would do the whole vehicle and the surface prep, everything. I'd even do my windshield and everything. That way you could even use our glass coat it then on the windshield. This little bottle will do about 3 pickup trucks about this size, 3 to 4 pickup trucks this size. Okay, good. Now we got a nice clean paint. Then I'm going to take our 3 to 5 year ceramic, coat it. It's in the glass bottle. Open this up. Grab an applicator. Dump it on my applicator. The first time you dump it on, it'll take a little extra there, just because till the applicator gets wet. After that, it will only take a couple drops. It won't take much. Again, a bottle like this is probably going to do about 2 to 3 pickup trucks like this, about 3 pickup trucks. You can also double coat it if you want. You want to wait about 6 hours to 8 hours in between your coats. So how I do it is, wear rubber gloves. You don't want your oils onto the applicator, or you don't want to get your oil from your body onto the paint. It's crucial that the paint is prepped and it's clean. The nice thing is with the ceramic coated is that you can do this in sunlight. We prefer that you obviously do it in shade or in a climate controlled area. But if you have no other choice and it is your only option, you will not damage your paint because of it. So like I said, I put a little bit of this on. So what I do is I start here at a seam. I wipe up across the top. And I'll run this ridge. And I run this back and forth. Nice, slow, and easy. I know it's a little hard to tell in the video, but you can see it going on. Reapply a little bit. And now I'm going to go down the front. There's really no need to tape off any plastics. This is safe if you get it on plastic. It's not going to discolor it. It's not going to change the color or anything of it. But I just run right along the edges of it. I take the First In spray that we have, which is a spray ceramic, a 1-year spray ceramic. And I actually like to put this on, let it sit, like I said, 6 to 8 hours. And I like to top coat it with the First ceramic spray and then go over all my plastics with the First In spray, because you can use that really nice on all your plastics. So now I'm just going to go back and forth, making sure I hit all my areas. Pretty simple process, guys. It's not real hard. This is much better than having to reapply wax every year. I went back and forth, and now I just kind of go up and down with it. Get around the edges here, right like that. Now I'm going to be back to you in maybe about a minute or two. We let this what we call flash. So what it will do is it'll turn to like a rainbow effect. You will not see it on the video. It'll be very hard to see it, but you can see it when you're standing right about here. You'll get a rainbow effect in the ceramic. That's what we call flashing in the ceramic world. When that rainbow effect takes place, that's when we're going to take it off. So we'll be right back. Okay, we actually took about 2.5 minutes actually for this to flash. It's all going to depend on your climate of how fast it's going to do it. A cooler climate, more controlled environment, air conditioned or whatever you might be in, will take a little bit longer, maybe 3 minutes. Outside, warmer outside, could be as fast as 30 seconds, a minute tops. So I'm going to take our microfiber towel. These are dual-sided towels again. I use the purple to take off first. I use the orange to take off second. Now, if you have somebody helping you, use 2 towels. Have somebody level it, take it off first. We call that leveling it with the purple side. And then have somebody come in behind you and do a light buff off. But for video purposes, I'm just going to do it here myself. So real simple. I'm just going to glide this across. Pull off all of the first wipe that we're doing. We're not really buffing it. We're just wiping it. We're leveling any spots out that might have had some high spots on it from when we put it on with the applicator. And now we're going to take my other side. I'm going to flip it over. This is why it's important that you have gloves on so you don't get your oils in this, because you're going to put it back against the paint, especially when you're flipping the towel. And now I'm just going to lightly buff it. You do not have to work hard to put this on. You don't have to kill your arms in buffing it. You don't need machinery to do it or anything like that. This is all you need. This is going to give that minimal 3-year coating. We can stack it, get the 5-year. We can add the 1 year on top of it, get the 4-year. That's it, right like that. This is going to have a nice coating on top. All I'm going to do to maintenance this now, you'll see the water just fall right off of it. All I do to maintenance this now is just use our Foamit soap. A pH neutral soap is important that you use on chemical coatings. And then I'm going to use our Volley detailer for just a quick maintenance spray. It has a little bit of ceramic in it. We'll top coat it throughout the year. You can also use it as a drying agent as well, which means when you wash your vehicle, you rinse it. You spray 1 squirt per panel, and that will, when you wipe it and dry it, that'll also apply that little bit of a top coat, making your 3-year ceramic coat last a long, long time, even longer than 3 years if you maintenance it. Remember, the 3 years is if you don't do anything with it. So if you maintenance it, it's even going to last longer. And the Volley detailer is a great way to do that between washes. Use it if you're a car show enthusiast, works really good at car shows, parades for the fire departments and things of that nature. You can use Volley detailer and everything. So thanks for watching, but that's how you do our third alarm detailing product ceramic coat process.